Welcome to this video on Ingress protection codes. We will be deciphering IP68, IP54, and IPX7 for technical applications. This video will explore the meaning behind Ingress protection codes and why they are vital for technical applications. The IP rating is a universal standard, defined by the IEC standard 60529, replacing vague terms like water-resistant with quantifiable, verifiable data. This two-digit score certifies a device's enclosure against solid objects and moisture. An IP rating, like IP68, consists of the letters IP followed by two digits. The first digit measures solid protection from 0 to 6, and the second digit measures liquid protection from 0 to 9K. Higher numbers mean greater protection. Focusing on the first digit, Level 4 protects against solids larger than 1.0 millimeters. Level 5 is dust protected, allowing limited ingress that won't interfere with operation. Level 6 is dust tight, with zero ingress of dust allowed. For the second digit, Level 4 indicates protection against splashing water for 10 minutes. Level 6 protects against powerful water jets from any angle. Level 7 is for temporary submersion up to a specific depth for 30 minutes. IP68 is considered the gold standard. The 6 means dust tight, while 8 means continuous submersion under conditions specified by the manufacturer, typically for depths greater than 1 meter and durations longer than 30 minutes. IP54 is a general purpose or workhorse rating. The 5 means dust protected, with limited dust entry. The 4 protects against water splashes from any direction, making it suitable for general indoor and light outdoor use. IPX7 uses the X factor to indicate that solid protection was not formally tested. The 7 confirms temporary immersion protection up to 1 meter depth for a maximum of 30 minutes, not continuous underwater usage. This comparison matrix shows the differences. IP54 offers limited dust ingress and splashing water protection. IP68 is dust tight with continuous submersion, and IPX7 is not rated for dust, but allows temporary submersion. It is important to remember that IP ratings are based on controlled freshwater lab conditions. Salt water, high pressure, or chemicals can still potentially compromise a device's protection.